Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID without password in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to remove Apple ID from your Apple device without password in iOS 27, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and then you have to go to your profile, and then you have to simply go to sign in and security, and wait here for some seconds. And now you will see the change password option here. So guys, you have to simply scroll it below and you will see change password option. You have to simply tap on this, and then you have to simply give here new password, and you have to simply enter the new password 2 times. So as you can see, this simply enter the password and retype the password and save this password on your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go to sign out from here, and then you can easily sign out your Apple ID from here very easily with that password. So guys, in this way you can also remove Apple ID from your Apple device without a password in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.